I type these 4 words, credit card report cycle, and I get a complete CFO ready package, a clean consolidated credit card report, a branded dashboard, and a PowerPoint presentation. All of this is possible with Claude skills, as well as Superskill that completely changes the approach to optimizing business processes in Claude. After watching this video, you will finally understand what Claude skills are for, and it will surprise you what they are capable of. Let's start with the first step, data cleaning in Excel. We have this huge table here that has our company's credit card statements from our employees, and it's a mess. You have extra rows, unnecessary columns. This kind of file is impossible to use for analysis right away. So instead of manually cleaning all the tabs and rows every month, you can create a skill in Claude that will be automatically triggered when needed, and this skill will combine all the data into one table, and then with this data and the fields you need, you can do the analysis. But before creating this skill, let's first build our workflow in Claude, because we need to show to Claude what do we really want. I open Claude, start a new chat, upload our file, and then write the following prompt. I want to consolidate the tabs into one tab, and I want to keep only the date, the description, and the amount. Also, tell me for each line from which company and cardholder it corresponds to. You see, the task is not just to copy the data into one place, but also to make it convenient for further analysis. And we can see that in just a couple of minutes, Claude cleaned the tables, removed the unnecessary parts, combined the data, and added the missing context, which is the company and the cardholder name. Now that the file is clean and convenient, we, as CFO and finance professional, can actually work with this properly. But let's come back to creating the skill, because now we have an example. So in the same chat, we write the following. So we ask first to create the skill from this workflow, and we explain that every time we upload our files, and then we ask to clean the data, we explain what it needs to do based on the workflow. And really important, we say to name the skill data cleaning. As you can see, Claude has built-in skills creator skill that will do the job for us. Now we can click Save Skill, and if you want to retrieve all of the skills you saved, just go to Customize and then click Skills. Now this skill will be triggered every time we ask Claude to clean data in a corporate card statement. Though the file is now clean and clear, it's still difficult to analyze straight away. So we need to turn it into a dynamic dashboard that presents the data much more clearly. But before doing so, I will create another skill in advance, one that will always style the visuals in our branding guidelines. This is how we are going to create this skill. We open Claude again and start a new chat, and we explain that we are CFO, we want to create a branding skill. Also, we explain that this skill needs to be triggered whenever we are creating anything that requires design. And we are going to give a document with our branding guidelines. So either here you give a document from your company or you give examples. And then you can also add additional information or instructions, like asking that you want the dashboard to have KPIs, to have narrative, or to have functionalities like drill down to avoid any clutter. Now you can see Claude creating the skill, and on the right, you can review the skill it just created. And like this, you can even adapt it if you need. So this is it for now. We have our branding skill, and now comes the most interesting part, creating the dashboard. We go back to Claude, start a new chat, and then I will prompt it to do this dashboard. So I explain that I want to create an HTML dashboard, and then I also give which information I want and which functionalities I want, like the filters or drill down. I also mention what types of analysis I want, like trends and large transactions. Then I just hit send. Notice that I didn't write anything about branding. Claude will understand by itself which colors to use based on the skill we created earlier. That's it. The dashboard is finished. Not only it looks amazing, but it also has a lot of functionalities. I have a lot of filters. I have many different graphs that brings a lot of value. For example, here I can see the cash flow composition, the top spend categories, the trend day by day, and each time that I hover with my mouse, I have the detailed information. And I even have like the top cardholders by volume. And see, if I just click on Jason Simpson, I see all of the report also for him. That means that not only the dashboard is useful for me, but also for all of the people in the list or all of their managers. And this is a lot of value that we just created. If we are happy with it, and we are, we can turn this into a dashboard skill in just a minute. Like this, Claude always knows the type of dashboard we need. In the same chat, we write, create a skill from this final dashboard, which is in this chat. And we will call it Card Statement Dashboard Builder. We also explain that we wanted to trigger this skill for card statements, credit card, expense, or any transaction dashboard requests. And then we tell Claude to use this chat's final dashboard as the reference standard. We explain a bit that Claude needs to extract its workflow, so from what we had before. We also explain what is the output of the skill. So a self-contained dynamic HTML dashboard with all of these functionalities like KPIs, spend statistics, also the drill down level of transaction. And finally, we add additional instructions to keep consistency in the output and to make sure there is a verification round before getting the result. And as always, we just save the skill when Claude is done. But what if we simply need to create a presentation for a meeting? Remember, we already have the visual branding skill. Now let's see whether Claude uses it for our presentation. Instead of manually copying data into PowerPoint, you can ask Claude to quickly create a presentation based on our corporate card statement report. We open Claude and we write that we are a CFO, we want to create a presentation for the board meeting, and that we are going to use also the Excel file we created before, so the cleaned Excel file. And then we also explain what we want in this presentation, what are the things we look after. We launch it, and normally the style and branding should apply automatically. I already made other videos on my channel about how to create PowerPoint presentations with Claude directly in PowerPoint. So if you want to check them, click the link here. That's it, it's done. In literally a couple of minutes, we have a finished presentation with a narrative that can be shown in our board meeting. Now, this is the most important part of the video. All of these skills can be combined into one super skill. With this super skill, Claude goes through the entire workflow, cleans the data, creates the financial report, builds the dashboard, and prepares the PowerPoint presentation. So we open Claude again and write, create a skill called card statement full cycle. Then we explain that when we upload a card statement Excel file and we ask full card statement cycle, it needs to do this in this order. First, run data cleaning skill. Then 2, the output needs to be a cleaned Excel file. Number 3, use the cleaned file to run the card statement dashboard builder skill. And finally, create a branded PowerPoint presentation from the clean data and dashboard insights. And the final output should be a clean Excel file, a branded dashboard, and a branded PowerPoint. Now we save the super skill and let's try it, shall we? So in a new chat, we upload our initial raw file before any work on it. And then we type just 4 words, credit card report cycle. And then we hit send. And boom, we see that Claude went through all the stages, delivered all 3 files, and applied our branding to the dashboard and the presentation. To me personally, this is incredible that with 4 words, I can finish a full workflow that would have taken me a full day of work. If you found this video helpful, hit those like and subscribe buttons, and remember, robots are coming, so stay human. See ya!